COVID-19 inevitably changed our behaviors and attitudes in coping with daily life, including the way we manage and spend money. Given retrenchments and lower income due to the pandemic, there are some segments of the population who are adversely affected financially. As such, proper financial management remains a major skill required by many Malaysians. It is more important now than ever to give everyone the confidence in making sound financial decisions. A closer collaboration with the industry is expected to bring forth positive outcomes in raising overall financial literacy and inclusion. Join us at My FinTech Week 2022 to shape a more inclusive, resilient and sustainable future in finance for all of us. See you there.